Hello guys, Delia with Plant-Based Potential. So don't have a whole lot to go with today, but I did want to show you really quick because we're doing a little breakfast thing at work tomorrow. We're doing some pancakes and breakfasty stuff, but I'm just preparing a little bit for a few of us there. So it's super duper simple. A lot of pancake mixes that you'll see in the store have egg and milk in them. So this is our four ingredient recipe that you can do at home to make your own pancakes. So most people have flour, so I just have some all-purpose flour. I'm going to do 1.5 cups of it. And this should make about 12 pancakes. Alright, so 1.5 cups. And 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Alright, so I'm going to be using some plant-based milk to make this batter. I'm not going to make it tonight though, guys, sorry, but yeah, I mean, most of us know how to make pancakes, so it's kind of the same concept, except for we're going to use a plant-based milk, and I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla extract tomorrow with about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and those are going to be the pancakes. But I'm going to just show you guys, just for the sake of showing you how easy you can make a breakfast that feels like something that you're used to. Just to show you what's available on the market when you're looking for something, you know, quick and easy. Tempeh smoky bacon. Tempeh has a little bit firmer of a texture than like tofu, and it's soybeans, but they're fermented soybeans and really good. So those are good. Also, there's stuff like this out there, which Field Roast is a pretty good brand, but we got some little mini sausages that I brought. And these milks, you can get smaller cartons if you don't drink a lot of milk. I know some people drink a ton of milk as their replacement for their milk, and then I just never was a big milk person, so I like to get these. If you aren't going to use it right away, it can store on the shelf for a while, but I'm going to be using this for my pancakes in the morning. So just wanted to show you guys that little blurb about how easy you can make things that you already are familiar with and veganize it. So thank you, have a great evening, and we'll see you guys next time.